Welcome to a webcast produced by the Learning Enhancement team based in the Dean of Students office at the University of East Anglia. This webcast is part of the Steps into Numeracy series and concerns the highest common factor. This guide introduces the highest common factor of lists of numbers, usually pairs, and techniques for finding it. What is a highest common factor? The highest common factor, HCF, of a list of numbers is the largest number that divides wholly into all the numbers. In number theory, the HCF is called the greatest common divisor, or GCD. Working out that HCF is beneficial when factorising expressions and/or simplifying fractions. In order to fully understand the methods in this guide, you should be able to factorise a number into its prime factors. See study guide, Prime Factors. Methods. It is clearer to learn methods for finding highest common factors with pairs of numbers rather than with long lists of numbers. For smaller numbers, you can calculate the highest common factor by following this procedure. 1. Write a list of all the factors, from smallest to largest, of each number in turn. 2. Look at the lists. The largest number appearing in both lists is the HCF of the two numbers. Let's do an example. What is the highest common factor of 12 and 18? The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. The factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. As you can see, 6. No, I'll just say it. I'll read it. If you just finish off the line, I'll read it out. Okay? It's the highest number that appears in both lists. So, HCF of 12 and 18 equals 6. For larger numbers, finding the highest common factor using the method above is not so easy. You can use the following method to find the highest common factor in these situations. Step 1. Write the numbers in prime factor form. Step 2. Match up the appearance of prime factors in each list and delete factors which have no match. Step 3. Multiply the remaining factors in any one list to find the highest common factor. It should not matter which list you pick. Let's try an example. What is the highest common factor of 240 and 924? You may not be able to see the highest common factor of 240 and 924, so we will use the method that we have just discussed. The prime factor form of 240 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. The prime factor form of 924 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 7 times 11. Step 2. Looking at the two lists of numbers and matching up those that appear in each list, the 2 and the 2, the 2 and the 2, and the 3 and the 3, and deleting the other numbers, leaves us with a 2 and a 2 and a 3 in each list. Step 3. So, the highest common factor of 240 and 924 is 2 times 2 times 3, which equals 12, which is written as highest common factor of 240 and 924 equals 12. Using highest common factors. You can use highest common factors to simplify fractions. For example, write 240 divided by 924 in its simplest form. From the previous example, 240 equals its highest common factor 12 times 2 times 2 times 5. As 2 times 2 times 5 equals 20, you can write 240 equals 12 times 20. And 924 equals 12, the highest common factor, times 7 times 11, which equals 12 times 77, as 7 times 11 equals 77. Cancellation of the highest common factor gives the fraction in its simplest form. 240 divided by 924 equals 12 times 20 divided by 12 times 77, and following cancellation of the 12s, you get 20 divided by 77. Further guidance and information. If you have any further questions about numeracy or would like to discuss any other aspects of mathematics, you can talk to your lecturer or personal advisor or make an appointment to see a Learning Enhancement Tutor in the Dean of Students office. You can telephone 01603 592761 or email dos.help@uea.ac.uk or visit our website at www.uea.ac.uk/dos/let. There are further resources on many other aspects of numeracy, mathematics, statistics and science available from the Dean of Students office and on its website. These include questions to practice, model solutions and webcasts illustrating essential skills. This guidance is one of a series on mathematics produced by the Dean of Students office at the University of East Anglia.